So good afternoon everyone. So I am Valgi Harjan Boy and I will be presenting my topic officiating in sport. So what is officiating in sports? It is the factors wherein refers to managing and enforcing the rule of regulation in the game or sports. No, amo ni siya ang govern for that sport to be fair and to be managed on. No? And my third slide rather is tackled importance of officiating in sport. So if we say ang importance of officiating in sports is maintaining the fairness and the integrity of the competition, promote discipline, respect, and so on so forth. No? And the next slide is rules of and responsibility of officials. So, enforcing the rule, applied game regulation consistently and fair. So, if we say responsibility, damo na siya sa mga like referee, lineman. So, kinalala nila to be fair and not be biased. Kuno, no? Managing the game, control the flow of play, and maintain discipline. So, sila pag ininggahatag sang management sa ginatawag nga game, silang ka-control. It because sa ara sa ila ang ginatawag nga official's responsibility. And also, if we say rules and responsibility of official, it is ensure the safety of the project players from dangerous, unfair action. So it is the obligation of the officials that they prioritize the safetyness regarding of the dangerous kind of behavior of the player or what kind of factor that have in that court or in the flow of the game. So that is my topic all about, and thank you and mabuhay.